Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Learning with Earning Creative Ideas. World's first online video freelancer training portal providing online top related trainers with exclusive live sessions on freelancing skills. Let's learn and earn from your home. Course name, SEO and article writing. Topic name, what is SEO? Course outlines of SEO. Number 1, what is SEO? Number 2, important SEO tools. Number 3, website niche plus hosting plus domain. Number 4, keyword research. Number 5, on-page SEO. Number 6, off-page SEO. Number 7, link building. Number 8, Google Webmaster Tool. Number 9, Bing the Webmaster Tool. Number 10, Google Analytic Tools. Number 11, Google Panda plus Recovery. Number 12, Google Penguin plus Recovery. Number 13, other Google algorithms. Number 14, WordPress SEO set. Number 15, working as an SEO website analysis. Number 16, finding SEO jobs. Number 17, Blogger SEO. Number 18, technical SEO. Number 19, local SEO. Number 20, copyright. Number 21, SEO audit. Number 22, SEO marketing. Now, next lecture I talk to you complete list of the tools SEO. Thanks for watching my video.